Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have another Confetti Collection box to share with you. So Confetti Collection is sending me this box for review. I got my first one last month and I loved it. Confetti Collection, actually, if you can see on the box, it is a huge box, but up here in the corner, see that green sticker up there? They are voted top, I think it's top subscription box. It's under $25, so that's pretty cool. So what they do, the box is $20 a month, $19.99 a month plus shipping, and they send you 8, I think maybe sometimes more items, like kind of stationary items, novelty items, but they're all coordinated, so they all go together, and I love it. So last month we got some stationary items, so I can't wait to dig in and see what's in this box. If you're interested in trying it, I'll leave a link to their website below so that you can check it out. It's fun. It's nice to have this stuff around the house, especially like the notepads and things like that. So let's dig in. This box is a little bit heavier than last month, so I want to show you how it comes packaged. It's very neatly packaged, so there's some bubble wrap on the top, but underneath the bubble wrap, oops, here we go. It's so pretty, so nicely done, and they don't sacrifice like with some companies. If they spend more on the packaging, they sacrifice on the product. It's not the case with this company. All right, and then I save all these little squigglies, like these things. I save them and use them for like gift baskets and things like that. So I have them in like my gift wrap room. So they come in handy. All right, so again, look how cute. All right, oh, and I think I said I don't know if I told you it's monthly. If I did, it's bi-monthly. So you get it every 2 months. So this is the August-September box that I am showing you today. So on top, whoops, it says plan a party. And I am actually planning one next week, so this is good. If you love Confetti Collection, then we know you love a good party, but why not make planning a party just as fun as the party itself? We're all here to tell you that you can have it all with our Plan a Party box. Really, really fun. Okay, oops. I'm sorry if the table's shaking. I love the colors in this box already. Okay, I'm just gonna open up the packaging. So the first thing we have some really cool plates. So I like using paper plates, and these are so pretty with the floral print. Some pink, some oranges, yellows. I love that. These are good like appetizer plates too. And then the matching napkins. So I love those. Oh, wait a minute. Let me tell you how many is in the set. So there's 16, they're calling them lunch dessert plates, but I'd probably use these for appetizers too. And then some lunch napkins, and they do match. And this is a set of 40, so that's really nice. So I love that set. And then next we have, they're paper clips. How cute. So may your life be filled with one good hair dye. This is really, really cute. So they're really fun paper clips. I love those. How cool is that? See, you get so many fun items in this box, and they're so unique too. But they're things that you use. Like I use paper clips every day at work, and I use them at home too, so they're nice to have. And then what is this? This says make today count. And then, oh, they're memo paper, so it has, you write in today's date and then the to-do list. I'm a big list maker, so I make lists all over the place. I have lists all over the place. But what I like about these, and you can color them in. So I think last time, or I think it was last time, we got a notepad that you can color in, and you can do the same thing with these too. So, but you also can write your list. What I like about this list is that it doesn't come with the date already on there. You can put the date in. So you know how sometimes you buy those calendars or notepads that already come with the date on there? I like those, but these are better because if you don't use them, they kind of last you longer. So I like those. All right. And then next, it keeps going. Oh, another to-do list. I love the colors of this one. See how it's all coordinated? And then it does have a magnet on the back, so you can keep this on your fridge. So that's really cool. And then, oh, how cool. Look at this. This is a flamingo charm pen. So there's a little flamingo charm at the end of it. I love fun pens like this. So I'm excited to have this. And it matches the to-do list. Oh, and then we got more ribbon. So we got a little teal bow. I like this color. And then some teal ribbon. Really, really pretty color. And then file folders. I love file folders, and I was actually in need of more file folders. So I am gonna open them up because I think they say things on them. So let's just see really quick. I don't wanna ruin the packaging, but let's just see because, oh, and they come with the little labels for the top of the folder, which is nice. Oh, so like this one says think happy thoughts on both sides. Oh, I love that both sides are matching. How fun. And then we have some amazing things will happen. Again, I love that they say the same thing on both sides. And then I love these pretty striped ones. These are really, really cool. So how fun was that? So I think this was a great box and I think this was well worth it. So for $20, you got some pretty cool items, some office supplies. You know, office supplies can be, and stationery can be really, really expensive. And I got coordinated office supplies. So this was fun. And then I always like to have these things on hand for wrapping gifts and things. I have to wrap a gift today, so these may come in handy. So, and then we got, just to recap, the to-do list, the magnetized to-do list, the cute flamingo pen. I love this. I think that's so cute, and I love the color of the pen. So that's really cool. The flamingo is bringing me back to Florida. Miss it already. The cute little paper clips we got, and then we got the paper, the napkins with the lunch plates. So this was really fun, and they're Lennox. Did you see that? Did I show you that? So I think this was well worth it. What do you think? So if you've tried it before, or if you're planning to try it, let me know. And as always, I will leave a link. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you all really soon in my next video. Okay, I had to come back really quick because what I realized as I was putting things back in the box to go inside, I told you these were paper clips, which they are, but this is also a greeting card. So it says, may your life be filled with one good hair day after another, which I think I read to you. And then the inside of the card says, wishing you the simple pleasures in life. So that is, how fun is that? I think that's so cool. I had to come back and show you. So it comes with a greeting card in an envelope. So I like that. So thank you, Confetti Collection. And thanks again for sticking around. I'll see you in my next video. I'm really leaving you now, okay?